we're going to Toril to celebrate our Valentine's Day. Bye! The kids there. You video the kids.
Bye now.
Say bye, kids. How about Sean? Where's Sean? Sean? Nagalayda na siya yan. Ay! Hello! Sean!
Ikaw siyon? Ikaw siyan?
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting that.
Smile, Sean, be.
Smile, Marley and
Sean.
Sean.
Smile, Sean. Sean, Sean. Smile. Wait lang. Wala.
Di ko asinanoy ako. Dali, adjust.
Pas lang ka.
So, hi guys. This is our first order came in. It's 4 cheese pizza. Shannon is getting his slice of pizza. How about you, Sean? You don't like? Don't like pizza? Don't like pizza? You serve, tatay, nanay, mama. Go, girls. No, it's not you. Yummy, Marley. Sure. Hey, Sean. What's your food? Pork sisig.
Opo.
Hi guys, we're here now at Casa Josefina. Shanshan wants to swim. Swim. Also you changed na. Tell Ate Justin. Wow, what a beautiful place. Why? So hi guys, this is the inside of the house. So there's only one room, but there's a lot of extra pillows, blankets. Yan, magkasya ang 8 na tao dito. Pero kung barkada type, pwede mag-extend dito. And sa outside, maraming foam din sila ginaparan. Say hi! There, you can cook. The place is very nice and they are very accommodating. They're outside on the other side of the house. Nandun ang pool and later we will swim after the hakot of everything. So there. Go guys. Hi guys. Sean is now ready to swim. And Shannon. Wow, they're ready to swim. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Shanshan! Reality bites! Maoy everywhere! Yes, you need to shower first. Go! Yeah, shower, go! As in. Sige, go na!
Open mo lang yung shower.
Yay! Go, Shanshan! Where are you going, Shanshan? Yay! Sige, go! Smile. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Wala siya dyan. Gaturo siya kay Aya niya.
Ipa-float daw siya.
No! Ka-cute ni Sean. Sean, are you okay? Parang mahirapan siya sa kanyang titin. Oh! Yan. We saw an airplane while they are swimming. Doon sa kadra, Jazz.
Nay, kuan dia bugnaw daan. Tung right.
Thank you for the effort of cooking.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going ay, 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 ay.
What a treat! Jump! Uh-oh! Jump! Ang sabi dito, ang policy ay no illegal. Kaso mukha talaga silang illegal. Very good. Sunshine! Sunshine! Whoop! Sunshine! Wag Sean! Wawa! Wawa man, Shoti.
Akay uyat na lang.
Picture sa kay sa Wabso. Jasmine.